Exam dost, success का host, Sainik Navodaya में topmost.
Which of the following is correct? In this question, 4 options are given and we have to find out that which option is correct. Now all the questions involve the operation of multiplication and division of decimal numbers. Let us start with option number A. 0.02 multiplied by 0.003 multiplied by 0.004 upon denominator 0.012. First step of solving this question is count the decimal places in the numerator. 0.02 has 2 decimal places. 0.003 has 3 decimal places. 0.004 has 3 decimal places. So in the numerator there is a total of 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8 decimal places in the numerator, and in the denominator I have 3 decimal places. So now if I want to remove the decimal point of the numerator, all the numbers, then in the denominator I will multiply after 1. There are 8 decimal places, so after 1 I will put 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. By this number I have to multiply the denominator to remove the decimal places of all the decimal numbers in the numerator. Numerator में हमारे पास 3 decimal number हैं, जिसमें 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place और 3 decimal place है. अगर हमें इन तीनों के डेसिमल प्लेसेस, इन तीनों डेसिमल नंबर्स के डेसिमल प्लेसेस काउंट करें तो 8 डेसिमल प्लेस है, और अगर इसे हमें रिमूव करना है तो डिनोमिनेटर में हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा 1 और उसके बाद लगाने होंगे 8 zeros. सिमिलरली डिनोमिनेटर में 3 डेसिमल प्लेस है, अगर हमें इसे रिमूव करना है तो हमें न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा 1 के बाद 3 डेसिमल प्लेस है तो 3 zeros. Now pay attention, हमारा नंबर 0.02 हो जाएगा ओनली 2. हमारा नंबर 0.03 हो जाएगा ओनली 3 एंड 0.04 विल बिकम ओनली 4 एंड वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर बाय 1000. Now let's come to the denominator. Without the decimal point, the denominator will be 0.012 हो जाएगा 12. एंड क्योंकि हमने न्यूमरेटर के डेसिमल प्लेसेस हटाए हैं, सो डिनोमिनेटर विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय आफ्टर 1 प्लेस 8 zeros. Now let us simplify the numerator and denominator. डायरेक्ट सिंप्लीफिकेशन कर सकते हैं आप. 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 हो जाता है 24. डिनोमिनेटर में 12 है, ऊपर की वैल्यू 24 है, आप 12 से डिवाइड कर दो. 12 1 जा, 12 2 जा. तो न्यूमरेटर के सारे नंबर्स और डिनोमिनेटर का 12 जब हमने सिंप्लीफाई किया तो हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर में 2 है और अब 1000 में 3 zeros हैं. नीचे 8 जीरोस हैं, यहाँ पर 3 जीरोस कट कर दीजिए, इसके भी 3 जीरोस कट कर दीजिए, तो डिनोमिनेटर में हमारे पास बचेगा 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5 जीरोस, 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5 जीरोस। नाउ अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर डिनोमिनेटर में 1 के बाद 5 जीरोस हैं तो हमें न्यूमरेटर 2 में जाना है और राइट साइड से 5 डिजिट्स काउंट करके डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाना है। पहला डिजिट हो गया 2, दूसरा हो गया 0, थर्ड हो गया अनदर 0, फोर्थ हो गया अनदर 0, फिफ्थ हो गया अनदर 0। 5 डिजिट्स हमने काउंट कर लिए हैं। I'll put a decimal point here. My answer is 0.0002, which can be written as 0.00000 and 2. So solving, I get the answer as 0.00002, बट हम इन्होंने ऑप्शन में जो दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, उन्होंने यहाँ पर इसको बोला है 0.002, जिसमें कि 3 जीरोज और एक 2 है, तो 4 डेसिमल प्लेसेस हैं जो हमें चेक करना है। इट इज 0.0002 दैट वी हैव टू चेक, विच इज नॉट इक्वल एक्चुअली, ये दोनों इक्वल नहीं है। सो दिस फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज नॉट करेक्ट, इट इज रॉन्ग। Let us analyze the second option B. Says 0.02. Multiplied by 0.03 multiplied by 0.04 upon 0.08. We have to check whether it is equal to 0.003 or not, and for that let us first solve the left hand side part. For solving the left hand side part, first count the number of decimal places in the numerator. 0.002 has 3 decimal places. 0.03 has 2 decimal places. 0.04 has 2 decimal places. Let us add the decimal places. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So the numerator has a total of 7 decimal places. Now if I want to remove the 7 decimal places of the numerator, I have to multiply the denominator by 1 followed by 7 zeros. Now why 7 zeros? Because the numerator has 7 decimal places, so denominator I will multiply after 1 7 zeros. And I see that the denominator 0.08 has 2 decimal places, and if I want to remove the decimal place of denominator, I have to multiply the numerator by 1 followed by 2 zeros, because there are 2 decimal places in the denominator. So I'll multiply the numerator by 1 followed by 2 zeros. Now our number will become, write down all the numerator and the denominator terms without the decimal point. 0.002 will become 2, 0.03 will become 3, 0.04 will become 4, and in the numerator I will multiply 100. Now for the denominator, 0.08 will become 8, multiplied by 1 followed by 7 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now let's simplify the numerator and denominator. In the numerator, please have a look. 2 into 4 will give me 8. Denominator also has 8. They will be cancelled. In the numerator, only term left is 3. Now the next term in the numerator is 100, which has 2 zeros. These 2 zeros can be cancelled by the 2 zeros of denominator. So again I am left with 1 followed by 5 zeros. And remember, when there are 5 zeros in the denominator, then we go to the numerator, and from the right side I count 5 digits. 1, place a 0, 2, place a 0, 3, place a 0, 4, place a 0, 5, put a decimal point. It will become 0.00003, which can be written as 0.00003. So as I see that the question has given us the option as 0.003, but we are getting, after solving, 0.00003. Again, option number B is incorrect. Now let's analyze the option number 3. So 0.00002 multiplied by 0.3 multiplied by 0.004 upon 0.0006. Now they are asking whether it is equal to 0.00004. Let us calculate this and find out. In the first step, count the number of decimal places in the numerator. The first number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. 0.3 has 1 decimal place. 0.004 has 3 decimal place. Let's add them. I'll have a total of 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 9 decimal places. And if there are 9 decimal places in the numerator, I have to multiply the denominator by 1 followed by 9 zeros. If I want to remove the decimal point of numerators, they have 9 decimal places, so for that I have to multiply the denominator by 1 followed by 9 zeros. Now let's go to the denominator. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. And if you want to remove the decimal point of the denominator, we multiply the numerator by 1 followed by 4 zeros for 4 decimal places. Now let's write down these numbers without the decimal point. 0.00002 will become 2 multiplied by 0.3 will become 3 and 0.004 will become 4, and we have to multiply it by 10,000. Now let's come to the denominator. 0.0006 will become 6 multiplied by 1 followed by 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now let's simplify the numbers. In the numerator I have 2 into 3, which is 6. So basically 2 into 3, 6, and denominator also has 6. Let's divide them by 6. This is gone. I'm left with only 4 in the numerator. For the denominator, 10,000 has 4 zeros. Let's cancel these 4 0. 1 0 from the numerator and 1 from the denominator. Another 0 from numerator, another from denominator. Another 0 from numerator, 1 from denominator. Another 0 from numerator and another from denominator. So I'm left with 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 zeros. Now since the denominator has 5 zeros, I'll go to the numerator 4 and we count 5 digits from right side. Now let's count 5 digits from right side. 4, place a 0, 2, another 0, 3, another 0, 4, another 0, 5. Place the decimal point, it becomes 0.00004, which can be written as 0.00004. But our answer here is 0.00004. So I see that the value written here in the option C is actually our answer on solving. They both are same, so option number C is correct. Now let's analyze the option number D. That's 0.2 multiplied by 0.3 multiplied by 0.004 upon 0.00024. We have to check whether it is equal to 0.1 or not. So first of all, count the decimal places of the numerator. Here it is 1 decimal place, here it is 1 decimal place, here it is 3 decimal place. So it will give me a total of 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5 decimal place. And to remove this 5 decimal place, I have to multiply the denominator by 1 followed by 5 zeros. Denominator also has 5 decimal place, and if I want to remove the 5 decimal place, I have to multiply the numerator by 1 followed by 5 zeros. Now let's write down these values without the decimal point. 0.2 will be 2, 0.3 will be 3, 0.004 will be 4, multiplied by 1 followed by 5 zeros, upon 0.00024 will become only 24, multiplied by 1 followed by 5 zeros. Now let's go to the numerator. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24. तो न्यूमरेटर में सारे नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करके 24 आ गया, डिनोमिनेटर में भी 24 है, ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, सारे नंबर्स कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, यहाँ भी 1 और यहाँ भी 1 आ जाएगा. न्यूमरेटर में 5 जीरोज हैं, डिनोमिनेटर में भी 5 जीरोज हैं, ये भी सारे जीरोज कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. हमारे पास बचेगा न्यूमरेटर में 1, डिनोमिनेटर में 1, 1 अपॉन 1 इज 1. पर इन्होंने जो ऑप्शन दिया है वो 0.1 है. इट मीन्स द ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज रॉन्ग. Our answer was option number C. Which of the following is not correct? All these questions are based on the division. Let us start with option number A. 76 divided by 0.019. Easiest approach of solving this question will be, this will be 76 divided by 0.019 has 3 decimal places, make it 19 upon, after 1 place 3 zeros, 19 upon 1000. Now how to divide? For dividing, convert the division to multiplication, and the fraction after the division will become reciprocal. It will be 1000 upon 19. Now understand, 76 multiplied by 1000 upon 19 is actually 76 multiplied by 1000, and 19 will be the denominator. Now we can simplify the numerator 76 and denominator 19 by 19. 19 ones are 19 fours are. Denominator is 1, ignore that. Numerator 4 into 1000 is 4000. So our right hand side is actually giving us 4000, which in the answer option is also given as 4000. So this sentence is correct. This cannot be our answer. We have to find which is not correct. Let's go to the option number B. Let us now go to the option number B. It is 88 divided by 0.008. Let us divide this. 88 divided by 0.008. 0.008 has 3 decimal places. So let's write it down. As a decimal fraction, it will become 88 divided by 8 upon, after 1 place 3 zeros, 1000. Convert the division to multiplication, and 8 upon 1000 will become reciprocal. It will become 1000 upon 8. Now cancel 88 and 8. It's 8 ones are 8 11s are. Denominator is 1. Ignore that. Multiply the numerator 11 and 1000. It will be 11,000. So second option B is giving us 11,000, which is given as the answer option. So this is also correct. Let us now go to the third option. 7 divided by 0.014. 0.014 has 3 decimal places. So what we will do is, we will convert it into a decimal fraction. For that, write down the numerator without the decimal point. It will be 14 only. In the denominator, after 1, place 3 zeros. 3 decimal places, so place 3 zeros. Now let us convert. Division will become multiplication, and fraction after the division sign will be reciprocal. It will become 1000 upon 14. Now here, 7 is the numerator, 1000 is the numerator, 14 is the denominator. It will become 7 multiplied by 1000 upon 14. Now we can see that numerator has 7, denominator has 14. We can cancel them by 7. 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. In the numerator I have 1 into 1000, which is 1000. In the denominator I have 2. 1000 divided by 2 is 500. So option number C is giving me the answer as 500, but the option written here is 5000. So this is wrong, because our answer is 500. Now let's go to the option D. Option D says 148 divided by 0.074. Let us convert 0.074 from a decimal number to decimal fraction. For that, let's count the decimal places. It has 3 decimal places. Now since it has 3 decimal places, when we convert into a fraction, first write down 0.074 without the decimal point. It will be only 74 upon, after 1 place 3 zeros, because there are 3 decimal places. Now this will become 148. Convert the division to multiplication, and the fraction after that will be reciprocal. It will be 1000 upon 74. Now 148 and 1000 are part of the numerator. 74 is the denominator. Now both 74 and 148, they are divisible by 74 itself, or you can divide them by 2 also. We will directly do it by 74 ones are 74, 74 twos are 148. In the denominator I have 1, I will ignore that. In the numerator, 2 into 1000 will give me 2000. So the value is coming to be 2000, which is given in the option number D. So this is also correct. Our answer is option number C, as it is the incorrect value. It is not correct. I would like to show you here the cancellation of 148 and 74 by 2. Let us divide them by 2. 148 divided divided by 2 is 74. 74 divided by 2 is 37. It becomes 74 upon 37. 37 is a prime number, so it will be divisible by 37. 1s are 37 and 37 2s are 74. So I get the answer as 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1 is 2. But here, what you can do, you can look at it as 148 upon 74. Look at the unit places of 74. It is 4. Unit place of 148 is 8. Now 4 goes in 8 2 times. So using this trick also, you can straight away cancel it by 74 as 1s are and 2s are. Our final answer for option number D is 2000, which is the correct option. Our answer here is option number C, which is incorrect. Question says, which of the following is not correct? Let us analyze all the options one by one. The first, 76.5 divided by 0.15. They are asking whether it is equal to 51 or not. 76.5 has one decimal place. 0.15 has two decimal place. Let's first of all write down without the decimal point. This will be 765 upon 10 divided by, this will be 15 upon 100. When we divide them, this will become 765 upon 10. Convert the division sign to multiplication. Convert the division sign to multiplication, and the fraction after the division symbol will become reciprocal. It will be 100 upon 15. Now I have in the numerator 765, in the denominator 15. Let's divide them. 765 divided by 15. 15 5s are 75. This is 1, this is 5. 15 1s are 15. Our division is complete. Quotient is 51. So when we divide 765 by 15, here I will get 1. Here I will get 51. Now we also have 100 in the numerator, 10 in the denominator. We can cancel the 0 of 100 and 0 of 10. So now in the denominator I am left with 1. 1 into 1. My denominator will be 1, which can be ignored. In the numerator I have 51 multiplied by 10. Multiplied by 10 will give me 510. But in this option, the value they have given is 51. So this option is not correct. We have got the answer as option number A. But we'll still go and analyze the other options. Let's go to the second example. Second option, B. Says 2.73 divided by 1.3. According to the option statement, it should give us 2.1. Let us find out. 2.73 has two decimal places. It will become 273 upon 100. 1.3 has one decimal place. It will become 13 upon 10. 273 upon 100. Convert the division sign to multiplication, and the fraction 13 by 10 will become reciprocal, 10 upon 13. 273 and 13. Let's divide. 13 2s are 26. Take the 3 down. 13 ones are 13. Division is complete. Dividing 13. Here I'll get 1. Here I'll get 21. Now cancel the 0 of 10 and 0 of 100. In the numerator I am left with only 1 and 21. 21 into 1 will give me 21 in the numerator. Denominator I have 10. Into 1 it will be 10. Now understand 10 has 1 0. So go to the numerator 21, count one digit from the right side. Put a decimal point, it will be 2.1. So option number B is correct. Cannot be our answer. Let's go to the option number C. Says 37.8 divided by 1.4. 37.8 has one decimal place. For removing the decimal point, it will become 378 upon 10 divided by 1.4 has one decimal place. When I remove the decimal point, it will become 14 upon 10. 378 upon 10. Convert the division to multiplication and 14 upon 10 will become reciprocal 10 upon 14. Let's divide 378 by 14. 14 twos are 28. This is 9. Take the 8 down. 14 sevens are 98. Our division is complete. When I divide 378 by 14, here I'll get 1, here I'll get 27. The numerator 10 and denominator 10 gets cancelled. Here I'll have 1, here also I'll have 1. 27 into 1 is 27. Denominator 1 into 1 is 1. Ignore that. Our answer is 27. And here the option C also says it is 27, so it is correct. Let's go to the option number D. .94 divided by 0.7. 30.94 has two decimal places. Removing the decimal point, it will become 3094 upon 100 divided by 0.7 has one decimal place. It will become 7 upon 10. 3094 upon 100. Convert the division to multiplication and the fraction 7 by 10 will become 10 upon 7. Now let's divide 3094 by 7. 7 fours are 28. Subtract, I get 2. Take the 9 down. 7 fours are 28. Subtraction will give me 1. Take the 4 down. 7 twos are 14. Division is complete. Quotient is 442. So when I divide 7 by 3094 by 7, here I'll get 1, here I'll get 442. Cancel 1 0 of 10, 1 0 of 100. Denominator I'll have 10. 442 upon 10. There is 1 0 in 10, so go to the numerator 442. Count one digit from the right side, which is 2. After that, place a decimal point. It will give us 44.2. So option number D is also correct. Here we have found the answer in the first step itself. It was giving us 510. That was our answer. But still, for the sake of understanding, we have solved option B, C and D. Now it is very important for the students to revise these concepts, as these are clearly the exam questions.